In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the device's busy error when copying from the ADF on your MFP M477. Let's solve it fast.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, when we try to copy documents from the ADF, the printer shows a device's busy error and the copy does not work. This usually happens when the ADF rollers or sensors have dust or small obstructions. Most of the time, it is not a serious hardware issue. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cable from it. Now, following the instructions, open all the covers of the printer that are needed. Now, carefully disconnect the 3 cables related to the printer scanner. Check them for any damage. If they are fine, clean them gently with a soft, lint-free cloth, and then reconnect the cables properly to the printer. Now, carefully disconnect the ADF cable that you can see, and then reconnect it properly. Most of the time, these cables get dirty or covered with carbon, which prevents the printer from printing or copying. By cleaning them and reconnecting properly, the problem can be easily fixed. Most of the time, these cables get dirty or covered with carbon, which prevents the printer from printing or copying. By cleaning them and reconnecting properly, the problem can be easily fixed. The cable is fine. Now, carefully put it back in its place. It may feel a bit tight, but it is easy if you do it carefully. Now, carefully close all the covers again. Do it slowly and gently. It is not a difficult task. Now, reconnect the printer to the power and test it to see if the problem is fixed. Thank you for watching this video from Device Doctor. We fixed the device's busy error when copying from the ADF on the MFP M477. This usually happens when the ADF rollers or cables are dirty or obstructed. By cleaning the cables and rollers, reconnecting everything properly, and testing the printer, the problem is solved. Keep the ADF clean and check the rollers regularly to avoid future errors. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Device Doctor tips.